Imagine just one single teaspoon of a specific pure oil taken correctly each morning could hold the unexpected key to fundamentally reigniting that powerful vital circulation down there, comprehensively restoring your overall strength and making you feel undeniably profoundly like yourself again after 60. This isn't just a hopeful thought, this is a scientifically supported possibility. Before we dive into this transformative topic and reveal the full details, please make sure you've taken a moment to subscribe to the Men's Health channel and turned on that notification bell so you never miss another crucial natural health tip, meticulously crafted just for discerning men like you. If this profound message resonates deeply within you, if it sparks a flicker of recognition, hope, or understanding, please let me know by typing 1 in the comments below. If not, type 0. Your feedback is invaluable. I am always here to listen, to learn, and to serve you better. Many men feeling desperate for solutions try various conventional methods, often expensive pills that provide temporary fixes or even invasive procedures, completely missing the underlying foundational root cause, the health and integrity of their blood vessels, their endothelium. But what if the key to unlocking this vital, robust circulation, to profoundly repairing your blood vessels from within, and to naturally boosting your testosterone lies not in a new pharmaceutical breakthrough, but in a readily available pantry staple, a liquid gold that has been revered for its health benefits for centuries? Gentlemen, the breakthrough you're seeking, the secret to true vascular and sexual rejuvenation, can indeed be found in just one simple food: extra virgin olive oil. Yes, extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, the cornerstone of the celebrated Mediterranean diet, is far, far more than just a cooking ingredient. It is a potent natural remedy, a powerful elixir for your entire cardiovascular system and, by direct extension, your male vitality. Let's dive deeply into the profound science of why a single teaspoon of this pure oil, taken the right way each morning, can be so profoundly transformative for men over 60, directly addressing the root causes of decline. How EVOO helps circulation and male vitality. Firstly, and perhaps most crucially, for male intimate performance and overall circulation, extra virgin olive oil directly and significantly supports your body's natural production of nitric oxide. No, more nitric oxide means your blood vessels, particularly in the penile region, can relax and expand more effectively, allowing for a profound surge of blood flow that is absolutely essential for achieving and maintaining strong, confident, and sustained erections. It's like opening up the floodgates, allowing for peak antioxidants and polyphenols in EVOO performance and responsiveness when you desire it. Beyond its direct impact on circulation, this remarkable oil also plays a subtle yet profoundly significant role in hormonal balance, particularly for testosterone. Secondly, extra virgin olive oil is exceptionally rich in polyphenols and powerful antioxidants, particularly oleuropein, hydroxyol, and oleoanthol. Finally, the healthy fats in EVOO support nutrient absorption of other fats, soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, K, that are crucial for overall health, immunity, and cellular function, indirectly boosting your entire system for optimal, profound, and lasting. How to use EVOO for optimal results. Gentlemen, consistency, unwavering commitment, and the right strategic approach are absolutely key to unlocking the full transformative power of extra virgin olive oil. 1. Uncompromising quality matters. This is the non-negotiable foundation. Always choose 100% pure cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. Look for bottles that state first cold-pressed single origin and are stored in dark glass bottles to protect against light degradation. Avoid light or blended olive oils, as they often lack the powerful beneficial compounds we're seeking. Investing in high-quality EVOO is investing in your health. 2. Crucial timing for optimal absorption. Optional enhancements to amplify effects. Take 1 full teaspoon of your chosen extra virgin olive oil first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This timing is crucial because it allows for optimal and rapid absorption of its active compounds directly into your bloodstream without interference from other foods or digestive processes. This ensures the powerful polyphenols and healthy fats can get to work immediately on your endothelium. 3. Amplify the effect with simple enhancements. Optional but highly recommended with a squeeze of fresh lemon. Adding a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice rich in vitamin C can create a synergistic effect. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that further supports nitric oxide production and aids in the bioavailability and absorption of beneficial compounds from the oil. The slight acidity can also help kickstart digestion. With a tiny pinch of freshly ground black pepper, the active compound piperine in black pepper is a natural bioavailability enhancer. It can significantly increase the absorption and effectiveness of various nutrients and beneficial compounds found in the olive oil, making your morning ritual even more potent. 4. Consistency is king for lasting transformation. While you might begin to feel subtle benefits in energy or responsiveness within a few days to a week, the profound, truly lasting changes in your circulation, energy levels, hormonal balance, and intimate vitality will only build and consolidate over weeks and months of consistent daily practice. Make this a non-negotiable, enjoyable, and anticipated part of your morning routine. A daily act of profound self-care. This simple yet profoundly powerful daily ritual integrated consistently into your life isn't just about taking an oil. It's about nourishing and healing your body's most vital circulatory system, repairing your endothelium from within, and reigniting the powerful, vibrant masculine vitality that you absolutely deserve to experience fully every single day after 60. However, and this is absolutely paramount for your safety and successful importance of consistency outcomes, it's crucial to approach this powerful dietary intervention with informed realism, profound personal responsibility, and an unwavering commitment to your overall health and safety. Important considerations and crucial disclaimers. 1. Individual results will vary. While this method is highly effective and beneficial for many individuals, individual responses can differ significantly based on your unique body chemistry, existing nutritional deficiencies, underlying health conditions, and consistency of intake. Patience and consistent mindful practice are indeed crucial virtues. 2. Not a magic bullet or standalone cure. This protocol is a powerful, supportive tool designed to work with your body's natural functions and enhance a healthy lifestyle. It is not a miraculous cure-all for severe underlying medical conditions such as advanced heart disease, severe erectile dysfunction, rooted in neurological damage or other complex health issues. It works best synergistically as a component of a broader holistic balanced lifestyle that includes a nutritious diet, regular physical exercise, effective stress management, and adequate restorative sleep. 3. Quality and purity are non-negotiable. The efficacy and safety of this protocol hinge entirely on the quality and purity of the extra virgin olive oil you choose. As mentioned, only important disclaimers: use 100% pure, cold-pressed EVOO from a reputable source. Inferior quality, adulterated, or heavily processed oils will not provide the same therapeutic benefits and could even be detrimental. 4. Potential digestive sensitivity. While generally well tolerated, some individuals with very sensitive digestive systems might experience mild gastric upset when taking oil on an empty stomach. If this occurs, try taking it with a small piece of toast or a light meal, or gradually increase the dosage over a few days. 5. Professional medical consultation is crucial and non-negotiable. This is unequivocally the most important point for your safety and well-being. The information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and is absolutely not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with your doctor, a qualified urologist, a registered dietitian, or another trusted healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions such as gallstone issues, significant gastrointestinal disorders, heart disease, diabetes, or high blood pressure, are currently taking any prescription medications as even natural compounds can potentially interact with certain drugs or have persistent specific concerns about erectile dysfunction, declining libido, circulation, or any other aspect of your sexual or overall health. They can accurately diagnose specific issues, rule out serious conditions, and ensure this dietary change is safe and appropriate for your individual health profile. Never discontinue prescribed medications without your doctor's explicit guidance. By thoughtfully embracing this natural, mindful, and rigorously science-informed approach and diligently integrating high-quality extra virgin olive oil into your daily routine, you are taking a significant, empowering step towards actively reclaiming your vitality, your deeply personal confidence, and the joyful strength and intimate connection that absolutely should remain a vibrant, fulfilling part of your life after 60. You unequivocally deserve to live your golden years to the fullest with all the energy, performance, and profound joy you desire. Don't let age define your vitality, and certainly don't let conventional limitations or a lack of crucial information prevent you from exploring every powerful pathway to a healthier, more fulfilling life. It's time to take compassionate, informed control of your health and well-being naturally and mindfully. Subscribe to the Men's Health channel today to unlock more groundbreaking insights, practical tips, and natural solutions meticulously tailored for men over 60. We are deeply, genuinely committed to empowering you with the profound knowledge and effective tools you truly need to live a healthy, confident, and profoundly fulfilling life every single day. If this video resonated deeply with you, if it offered a glimpse into a healthier, more confident future, or if you know someone in your life who could truly, profoundly benefit from this vital information, please share it generously with them. And we genuinely love to hear from you, our valuable community. Have you tried extra virgin olive oil for health? What natural remedies have worked for you in boosting your vitality? Do you have questions or insights to share about this powerful morning ritual? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Remember, you are absolutely never alone in these crucial conversations. Together, we can build a strong, supportive, and truly empowered community of men who are committed to understanding their bodies, nurturing their minds, and living their very best, most vibrant lives. Thank you for watching, gentlemen. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you in our next transformative video where we continue our shared journey to unlock true, enduring male vitality.